Hi everybody, it's Tim at Engine Factory. Just finished building this beautiful 454 Chevy 450 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customer's 1970 Corvette. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. You have the late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal, roller lifter camshaft in there, aluminum timing cover, brand new balancer, aluminum cylinder heads are on there. Block is painted the Chevrolet orange with the brass freeze plugs. This is the proper Moroso oil pan for the 1970 Corvette for clearance. Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there, all the wire looms. It's real nice chrome valve covers. This is the proper valve cover for the 1970 Corvette. Has the area relieve there for the power brake booster. That's correct. We have the aluminum intake manifold on there. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Holley Sniper fuel injection system. Customer requested this special Holley air cleaner with the twin air filters on there. We installed that for him. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. Manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, timing will be set. All set up, ready to go. The Holley Sniper fuel injection menu screen will be completely dialed in, ready to go, plug and play. We have the HEI distributor, proper for the 1970 Corvette, the tack drive right there for the tachometer hookup. We have the PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell, all the heavy duty Russell fuel line, AN fittings up to the Sniper EFI, all the loop clamps, and the proper gas filter for the Sniper EFI. High torque mini starter, braided dipstick tube and stick, all ready to go. We even put the lift hooks on there and make it easy for the installation. Proper automatic flex plate, proper balance and tooth count for the 454 Chevy here, and a customer's transmission. We have this special pulley kit on. This is designed for the 1970 Corvette for clearance. Crank pulley there. You have the AC compressor, high flow aluminum water pump, alternators on there, one wire hookup, power steering pumps on there, all set, belt tension set. This will get the remote reservoir supplied with the pulley kit. But there you have it. Again, this is our beautiful 454 Chevy 450 horsepower roller cam engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection, custom built for our customer's 1970 Corvette. Thanks for watching.